Today we're going to teach you how to make a paper airplane. Okay, the first step is take a piece of paper and you're going to fold it hot dog style. Okay, so your paper should be folded like this. And then you're going to unfold it. Alright, now you're going to fold each one of the top corners down so that they line up with the middle. So it should be pointed with both of these folded in. Now you're going to fold the edges of the paper towards the middle line. There's one side, and there's the other side. Okay, now you're going to take the plane and just fold it in half. So it should look like this now. Okay, now we're creating the wings. You're going to take the top edge and just fold it down so that the wing crease begins at the nose. So there should be like a little space up here and then the wings start. Okay, now our airplane is gonna fly.
Wings or lift.
Yay! A little bit of crash landing, but that's okay. Goodbye.